Hello, welcome back guys to Sporare channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add clock to home screen on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to tap and press for a second at this home screen like this, and it will be a pop-up. To add a clock for this home screen, you just have to go to the widget one. And then here in this widget page, you just have to find out this clock options. Now you just have to tap on it. This is the models for the clock that you can use for home screen, yeah guys. For example, here I'm gonna use the analog one. I'm gonna tap on it and we'll see this add button at the bottom. Now I'm gonna tap on add, and yeah, we'll see this is a clock face. I'm gonna use the numeral one. Tap on it again, and yeah, this is the result, yeah guys. To save it, you just have to tap on this home screen. It will save automatically. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.